Hello everyone, with immense pleasure, let me introduce our web application Udyami, moving forward. Here I present our team, and the teammates are Abhirami, Ashwin, Bharat, and myself, Ashwini. Coming to the problem statement, in a male dominated society, it takes more than a single woman's tenacity to continue an entrepreneurial venture. Peer networks not only serve as a source of knowledge and inspiration, but they also serve as a backup network. Needless to add, a network is also a source of collective voice, allowing them to influence policy decisions that affect their lives. So, here we brought a solution which can assist rural women entrepreneurs in identifying partners across the value chain and leveraging them for successful service production and delivery, as well as connecting them with urban women entrepreneurs and providing them with a platform that provides business education, mentorship, and so on. So, what makes us stands out? Udyami not only helps the women focus on business development, but also provides networks to expand their knowledge and product market. In addition, we make them aware of the various schemes available that can most benefit their initiatives. Our future implementations also make the solution exceptional in several aspects. So here are the features of our application, and this will be explained later. Moving on to the next slide, let us take a look at the use case diagram. Talking about the business canvas model, key activities include to connect urban and rural women entrepreneurs, to help rural women grow their business and make the product available to wider audience. And the key partners are every women entrepreneurs across India. The feasibility and scalability include technical and commercial. And the value propositions are identifying partners across value chain, leverage partners for successful productions, peer network for women entrepreneurs. And this is a web application. And coming to the cost structure, for the development of the rural women entrepreneur community, we plan to ship this app free of cost. And the focus groups and end users are rural and urban women entrepreneurs. So let me present you a homepage where you get to see two buttons, which is register and login. Scrolling down, we have mentioned about our application, which is Udyami, and our motive. And the future implementations include bringing our application in regional languages, linking social media, all in one store in which you can sell your products efficiently. And we've also planned to bring our application as a mobile app and in-person volunteering, which helps rural women entrepreneurs and promoting business. You can also leave your feedback here. And we've added a chatbot in which you can clear your general doubts about business and entrepreneurship. And if you're not a member already, you get to register here, and you'll have to fill a type of form where you'll have to fill your credentials. And if you're already a member, you just click here, give your username and your password, and log in. So first, you get to see our homepage. Here you'll be seeing some shops surrounding you. And if you want to particularly look at a shop, you just click more. And there you go, you get the shop details, its description, the products available, its price, and etc. And we've also added a toll-free number by dialing which the user gets the link of our application as a message to his or her number, to his or her mobile, so that they'll be able to access our application easily. And let me show you the features. In the dashboard, the user's business details will be available, like today's revenue, the total revenue of the entrepreneur, that's a user, and the profile views, so the store views, and the total orders made till date, and the schemes applied by the user. And the next feature is the map. Here you will be able to locate shops. You can also search for shops, locate them, and you can also search according to the resources which you require. And the next is the feed. You can search for entrepreneurs or stores by means of their work. If you like this picture, you just click on it, and there you go. You get the shop details, its owner, and other products available in the shop. You can click any picture you like, and you get the shop details. And next feature is the schemes. Here we have listed out a few schemes which is being provided by the government as well as other organizations to help rural development and rural entrepreneur development. Just click on one of the schemes, and the further details about the schemes will be visible. And the last but not least is the profile. Here you get to see the user's name, the business they make, and some description about them. So if you click on this icon, you'll be again redirected to our homepage. So as mentioned before, once this solution is implemented to its fullest, we believe that it not only helps to improve the livelihood of rural women, but also contributes to the country's development and growth. Last but not the least, we thank the organizers for giving us a platform to showcase our ideas. Thank you all.